be the first one on the Strike King shad. Had this swim bait for about 8 years. Barely got him, but it got him. So we're in pre-spawn right now, so I figure now is the best time to throw it. Be the second one on the king shad. Nice little solid fish. Right at the boat. We got a storm coming up, so I had a feeling something crazy would happen. Get a weight real quick. Third fish, third time's a charm. .48. Try to stay out here as long as I can. Now, man, right at the boat. Saw the whole fish hit it. That'll be my biggest one so far on the king shad. Little one, but I think they're kind of turning on with the storm coming. I want to keep fishing, but I don't want to get caught out here. Well, I think I'm going to call it a morning. I haven't thrown this lure in probably years now that I think about it, but this was my first foray into the swim bait world, other than the soft plastic storm swim shads. This is a Strike King shad. It's been discontinued for a few years now, I think. Probably be a good idea for Strike King to bring it back, probably modernize it and kind of make some tweaks to it. But you can probably find them on eBay. I think new they're around 25 bucks. So just I I guess on eBay, try to not get ripped off if you try to get one. But it's a billed swim bait with a short bill, so it only really goes 2 feet max when you're burning it. And that one pushing 5.5 today, that's when she hit it when I was burning it. And I guess this is Strike King's Fire Tiger pattern. I have another one that's like in a kind of purple shad pattern. This was the one I got first. I may bring it kind of back into rotation. But if you ever decide to get one, I'd recommend it. It's kind of a, I throw, as you can see, spinning tackle, 12-pound test mono with just a medium heavy action rod, and it handles it pretty well, I think, throwing wise and cranking wise. But if you get one, I'd highly recommend it. And hope you enjoyed the video.